If you like these bright, beautiful watermelon lights,
but are sick of water leaking into them and ruining your bulb,
then the new sealed glass watermelon light by JML Customs is going to blow your mind.
Follow us and watch till the end for a special discount on these lights.
Keep the water out of your watermelon light while keeping the same starburst pattern that you love. JML Customs has come up with a solution to the water problem. A sealed glass watermelon light. This kit comes with the glass lens, the chrome bezel, the light bulb holder base, and any gaskets you need to seal out the water. The only thing you'll need to add is a light bulb, and JML's got you covered with those as well. What makes JML's new glass watermelon kit special? Well, let's compare. It's clear that JML's light bulb holder on the right is more reflective and brighter than the classic. The classic watermelon has a hole surrounding the wire that you'll have to fill with silicone so it does not leak water. JML Customs has redesigned this with a rubber plug that will stop any water leak. Both kits come with installation hardware but differ in this foam gasket. The classic glass gasket has holes that are made for screws to go through. However, that provides room for water to leak. The foam gasket in the classic kit provides more space than necessary around the installation hardware. This is a weak point allowing water to get in. JML Customs has created a foam gasket that will prevent water from leaking through because it completely fills the chrome bezel, making it harder for water to get in. The O-ring in the classic watermelon light does not fit the chrome bezel. It wiggles around and it's not very well sealed. However, it's a perfect fit in the JML watermelon that is sealed so that it's harder for water to get through. Let's add a light bulb so you can compare how bright these two watermelons are. We are adding JML Customs 1000 lumen amber light bulb. This LED light bulb is the most popular one on the market right now. Before I light them up, I'd like to make a point about the base. The classic watermelon light is not as reflective and does not have a mirror finish like the JML Customs new sealed watermelon. With the LED light lit up, you can see that the right side is more reflective. While both watermelons create the starburst pattern, it is clear that the JML Customs sealed watermelon light is just brighter. You can even see the light bouncing off the back lens. These sealed glass watermelons are available in the 1156 1-wire for on-off lighting and the 1157 2-wire for high-low or dual-color lighting. Make your truck the envy of all others with these starburst pattern sealed watermelon lights by JML Customs.
Now for the special deal. All JML Customs products are on sale 10% off at the new Vernon Truck Wash in-store or online from now till the end of January. Don't miss out.